Why can't I do it? I'm spending hours trying to land the freaking. Why is it so? I'm really practicing bottle feeding in 2020. It's so crazy. What's up, guys? It's Steph Cody here, and I really appreciate every single one of you for stopping by and hanging out with your guy Steph Cody. Anyways, this video I'm breaking down how I did this loop effect in my TikTok video, and even if you don't have TikTok, I hope you stay tuned. It's pretty interesting. Alright, so I want to break down this TikTok because this by far got me the most views on TikTok so far. It hit 1,600, and I know that's pretty small for TikTok numbers, but I mean, I've never gotten that high on. Okay, that's a weird way to say it. Alright, so what I meant to say was I forgot the feeling of getting one of my videos up to that many views because all of my more popular videos on YouTube have been from like 1 or 2 years ago. So yeah, it's been a while, man. Alright, so the goal of the TikTok was to flip the bottle, land it, and loop that clip over and over again. But the twist is I would add a separate clip at the end of it and make it all look like one whole video. No cuts or anything. And that last clip would be trippy. Like, wait, I thought it was all the same video. Yeah. So basically, that was all going to plan. Of course, I had to spend probably 30 minutes or so to finally land it with perfect dialogue. Right there. But there was one more issue, and you can see it in this clip. I accidentally moved the blanket a bit, which screwed up the whole, like, make sure everything looks exactly the same so that it looks continuous, like a loop. But yeah, it screwed up the whole thing. I had to redo it. And this time I wasn't taking any chances. Like, I made sure that like no obstacles would be moved and like screw up the whole thing. Taking no chances on this one. Everything's taped, everything's rolled, will not fail. Let's go. So, when I was compiling the two videos in this app called InShot, there was one last issue. Basically, before adding any transition that made it more of a gradual change between the two scenes, it was really noticeable when one scene ended and the other began. Because the lighting for some reason in the room changed. I don't know how. It might have been just an iPhone camera thing that like it automatically adjusted when my face showed up, or I don't know. But yeah, something off happened with the lighting, but that easily got fixed when I added this gradual transition. And you don't have to use InShot for this. You can probably use some other editing app, but whatever you use, make sure you do that if you plan to do a loop. I freaking failed, dude. So with all that being said, I'm gonna let the final video just run and let me know how good my loop is, whether it's flawless or if you think it could use some work, whatever. Just comment it down below. And yeah, hope you enjoy. See, I don't understand what all the hype is about for this loop trend. Like, there's no way that I can land it right there and do that repeatedly. Like, you know it's a loop. Look, I'll show you. Every single time it's a loop. See, I don't understand what all the hype is about for this loop trend. Like, there's no way that I can land it right there and do that repeatedly. Like, you know it's a loop. Look, I'll show you. Every single time it's a loop. See, what I tell you, every single time, it's all a loop. Someone's knocking, gotta go. Yo, that's kind of trippy, right? Anyways, thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you found it useful. And yeah, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy. And always remember that it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. Have a good one, y'all.